One of the most common questions new creators ask is, what is the easiest, simplest, and fastest way to get subscribers here on YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you exact strategy that you're going to follow to get subscribers down to your channel, even without uploading. First of all, you need to have 4 or more videos on your channel. Then, I'll just take you to YouTube Studio, the desktop version, and show you how to fix just 2 settings. And immediately these 2 settings is being fixed, you will start seeing changes in all your videos. That is, subscribers will start locating your channel. So I will show you how to fix this particular thing in your comment section. That is in your own video. That comment section where you usually type message and pin your comment, I will show you how to paste it there. Secondly, I will show you how to paste it in your description. And lastly, I will show you how to paste it on your channel home page. A lot of big creators out there that you know, name them. This is one of their biggest secrets. That's why if you're observant a lot, you keep on seeing this particular thing in their comment section every time they upload a new video. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first day seeing my face, thank you. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you as well. So in this channel, I teach about how to make money online, how to monetize your YouTube channel, and how to make money both online and offline. So this is something you'd like to know. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly give me a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy you need to apply so as to enable you hit that 1,000 subscribers very fast, so that you can be able to monetize your channel faster than you think. So if this is something you'd like to know, do not be in a hurry to leave this video. Make sure you watch it from beginning to the ending. Give me a thumbs up, like, and then share. So without much being said, let us go straight to our YouTube Studio, the desktop version, so that I will show you how to get this done right now. So guys, this is the interface of my YouTube Studio. The first thing I'm going to do is to come over to these icons this side, in my left hand side, and click on customization. If you click on customization, it will open and bring me to this page. It will bring me to this page where I have my profile and home tab. Under this profile, just scroll down to where your picture is. You will see your name. Under it, you will see your handle. So what you need to do now is to look out for your channel URL from this place. The question now is, what is custom URL? Custom URL means automatic subscribe button, which can be placed on your YouTube homepage, so that anytime somebody visits your channel for the first time, the person is going to see it bold and clear. So once the person gets to click on the link, the person will have to subscribe to your channel. This link can be placed on your channel homepage, comment section, and in all your videos. This place you're seeing http://www.youtube.com. Your name is your channel URL. What we are basically going to do is to copy this link. Make sure you copy it correctly. Click on copy. The next thing we are going to do is to go straight to your browser. Basically, I will be using Google to generate this link. So let us exit this page and go to Google. So once you come up to Google, go ahead and type auto subscribe link generate. So let's go ahead and click on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this place where you will see this option to paste your YouTube channel URL. So that particular link that you copied from YouTube Studio, the desktop version, we are going to come over here and paste it. Paste it here. So the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and come over to this place and click on generate. When we click on generate, we wait for it to generate. As you can see, our auto subscribe link has automatically been generated. So it has successfully been generated. The next thing we're going to do is to scroll down and then copy it. Do you see it? Copy to clipboard. I'll click on it. I'll copy to clipboard. Do you see it? Yeah, okay. So once you have copied the link, the next thing you need to do is to go back to your YouTube Studio, the desktop version, and place this link on your channel homepage, on your description, and also on your comment section. So let us exit this page and go straight to our YouTube Studio and do it. Right. Now on my YouTube Studio, the desktop version, what I will basically do is to come over to these icons here and click on customization. So when I click on customization, I'll come under here, under the description. I will see add link. This place you can add other social media links that you have. So you go ahead and click on add link. So the first thing you need to do here now is to add link title, as you can see it here. So this link title, alright, just go ahead and type please subscribe or subscribe for more. Just make it short. Please subscribe or subscribe for more. So me, I'll write please subscribe. After adding please subscribe, come over here that you are seeing enter URL and paste that link you copy from Google. Now when you put in the link here, it's going to reflect on your channel. That is your YouTube channel homepage. If somebody sees your channel for the first time, the subscribe button will be at your channel, and this makes it easy for them to subscribe. And like this, we have been able to generate this wonderful link. Once you are done, just go ahead and click on publish. Changes published. After publishing it, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my YouTube channel using another account to see if the link actually reflected. So this is another account. Let's type my channel name here. Yeah, this is my channel. So yes, this is my channel. I'll go ahead and click on this, my profile picture. You see, please subscribe. So I'll just click on it like this. So once I bring it, you see subscribe boldly written. Once you click on it, subscribe, subscription added. This it is very easy and simple. Another that you can see this same thing is by simply heading over to your comment section. After typing your comments, make sure you paste this link and then copy it. Once another person click on the link that have not subscribed to your channel, it will bring the person to your homepage. Do you see it? Subscribe. Just click on it. Click on this subscribe. Subscribe. So make sure you always pin your comments, and once somebody click on that link, subscription will automatically be added just as you see it now to your channel. So this is basically the first method in which you can generate inbuilt subscribe button and use it for your channel growth. Now let me show you guys the other way around in which you can get people to subscribe to your channel, and this will be from end screen and YouTube card. Let us exit this page and quickly go back to YouTube Studio, the desktop version, so as to enable me show you correctly. I'm now on my channel dashboard. I'll just click on this three dotted line here to bring me to my content. I'll select one of my videos to use it as an example. Let me take this first video as an example. We all know that end screen are those videos that usually pop up at the end of your video, while YouTube card can be placed at the beginning or anywhere
you want it in your video. So for this tutorial, we'll be making use of YouTube card instead of end screen. So I'll come over here, click on card. What you simply need to do is to click on plus add card. Okay, now you will see this option that will pop up: video, playlist, channel and link. Click on channel. We will not make use of link because it cannot work for some channels. I think it's only when you are monetized that you can use link. So now go ahead and click on channel. Go ahead and type your channel name. So my channel has automatically pop up. I'll click on it. You will see this option that says custom message and teaser text. For custom message, you can type subscribe, please subscribe for more. And also for teaser text, you can just type please subscribe. Then for teaser text now, please subscribe. Then after that you can click on done. You can see this save here. I'll click on it. After you click on this save button, it will automatically reflect. Let me click on it. Okay. Now let us go over to YouTube and watch this particular video to see whether it actually works.
Yeah, this is the video here. Do you see it? Please subscribe. Let me click on it. Do you see where it bring me? Now bring me to my home page. Do you see it? Please subscribe. I'll click on it. It will take me to where I will see option to subscribe. Do you see it? To bring me here, then I'll just come over here and subscribe. As simple as that. Subscribe, as simple as that. So if you just learned something from what you watched, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and lastly give me a comment. And more so, make sure you implement everything you liked in this video. Do not get tired, okay? So if you have any question, feel free to come down to the comment section and ask me the question. I'll be ready to reply you. Bye bye and see you in my next video.